Welcome to the Cell Lifecycle Services, Monitoring Solutions, and Additional Offers module. Click the Start Module button to begin. Click Topic 3, Additional Offers for Rack Management to begin. Several IT devices and the right-sized UPS with corresponding power distribution and monitoring are quite often required for data computing and protection. A planned, systematic arrangement of the various IT equipment is necessary. Schneider Electric offers a range of products that help customers to make better use of space and optimize and manage the devices. Racks are the standardized frames or enclosures that safeguard multiple IT equipment. They come in different heights, widths, depths, and number of units. If your customers want an unobstructed airflow and easy access to install equipment, then the open racks are a great choice. These racks are perfect for rack mount servers, networking, and telecom applications, where security is not a major concern. On the other hand, if your customers want physical security and efficient cable management, then the closed racks and enclosures are the way to go. These racks are perfect for offices, server rooms, and data centers. There are 5 types of closed racks and enclosures. These are Easy Racks, Net Shelter SX enclosures, Net Shelter Soundproof Racks, Net Shelter Wall Mount enclosures, and Net Shelter Rugged enclosures. Click each tab to know the selling features. If your customers are looking for an economical solution for edge environments, then recommend the Easy Racks. These are available in different heights, widths, and depths, with fully adjustable vertical mounting rails. If your customers need a reliable rack enclosure for their IT applications, such as data centers or server rooms, then recommend the Net Shelter SX enclosures. These racks offer enhanced security, better airflow, more weight load, and premium organizational features, such as large cable access slots in the roof and rear, PDU management, shock packaging, etc. If your customers are looking for a rack that is specifically designed to handle temperature changes and keep noise to a minimum in spaces where people work, then recommend the Net Shelter Soundproof Racks. These racks are just perfect for branch offices, small offices, or any non-IT space. Mostly known as a server room in a box, these racks offer cable management, integrated fan module, and cooling system. The Net Shelter wall mount racks are perfect fit for edge environments or environments where there is no floor space and low security. What's more, these enclosures are fully configured and offer remote access, video surveillance, and environmental monitoring. If your customers are working in a factory floor or warehouse setting, then the rugged enclosures are exactly what they need. These enclosures are built to withstand tough conditions and have NEMA and IP ratings, which certify that these enclosures can protect sensitive IT equipment against dust and moisture. What's more, these enclosures offer an all-in-one configuration, complete with power, cooling, security, and remote monitoring. Now that you have a good understanding of the different types of racks, here's the high-level summary of the key differentiating factors for each rack type. Now let's take a look at rack mount power distribution units, or RMPDUs. The rack mount PDUs help customers maximize runtime by keeping the critical devices powered on and by switching off the low-priority devices. With the advanced rack power distribution technology, customers can remotely monitor their connected equipment and keep track of the load consumption for each outlet. There are different types of PDUs. The basic rack PDU provides reliable power distribution. The metered PDUs offer active metering and real-time monitoring of connected loads. So this allows customers to make informed decisions about load balancing and right-sizing their IT environments. The switched PDUs provide metered functionality. They also provide the added capability to remotely switch on or off connected power loads or even reboot equipment remotely. Schneider Electric offers a wide array of standardized rack power distribution units, or PDUs, that are designed to increase manageability and efficiency. These PDUs are categorized as either Easy Rack PDU or Net Shelter Rack PDUs. Click each tab to know more. The Net Shelter Rack PDUs are the go-to choice for reliable, manageable, and secure standard PDUs. They're perfect for small and medium-sized businesses as well as data centers. The Net Shelter Rack PDUs consist of basic rack PDUs, metered rack PDUs, switched rack PDUs, and metered by outlet rack PDUs. The basic rack PDUs provide reliable power distribution. The metered rack PDUs offer real-time monitoring of connected loads and user-defined alarms. The switched rack PDUs offer metered functionality, ability to remotely switch the connected power load on or off, and can be easily managed through EcoStruxure IT Expert and EcoStruxure Data Center Expert. The metered by outlet rack PDUs provide power management, individual outlet level power metering, and capacity planning. There is also the Net Shelter Rack PDU Advanced. It's specifically designed to meet the high-density power needs of service providers, large enterprises, and medium to large data centers. A key feature is an industry-first 4-in-1 outlet design that works seamlessly with the most common types of plugs. The EasyRack PDU is all about simplicity and convenience. It's incredibly easy to install, use, and customize according to your customer's needs. The EasyRack PDUs consist of Easy Basic Rack PDUs, Easy Metered Rack PDUs, Easy Switched Rack PDUs, and Easy Metered by Outlet Rack PDUs. The Easy Basic Rack PDUs are perfect for reliable power distribution. The Easy Metered Rack PDU's real-time remote monitoring of connected loads and user-defined alarms alert customers to keep an eye on potential circuit overloads. The Easy Switched Rack PDUs offer metered functionality and the ability to remotely switch the connected power load on or off. Lastly, the Easy Metered by Outlet Rack PDUs provide individual outlet-level power metering and capacity planning. If your customers are looking for an active monitoring solution to control access and surveillance, then recommend the NetBot solution. It's specifically designed to protect data centers from unauthorized access and potential threats. There are 4 pillars of the NetBot's product line. Intelligent appliances provide surveillance and rack access control to help your customers mitigate risks through intelligent sensors, configurable alerts, and robust management. The pods work in conjunction with the intelligent appliances. They offer surveillance, sensing, access control, and instant alerting. The Rack Access Kit adds an additional layer of security to your IT deployment by restricting user access. Lastly, the sensors include both wireless and wired detectors that help detect various environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, smoke, vibration, and fluid detection. Schneider Electric also offers a range of rack accessories that are essential for deploying and managing rack solution. These accessories include rack-to-rack network connectivity and net shelter cable management to help your customers efficiently manage cable density. There are also mounting hardware such as bolt-down brackets, stabilization plates, and grounding kits to ensure stability and safety. Also, there are cooling accessories available, such as air sealing, active cooling, rack fan panel cooling, side airflow cooling, and so on to enhance cooling and airflow. Lastly, For convenient management and control, customers can get access to the keyboard video mouse or KVM switches and rack LCD consoles. Together, racks, enclosures, rack PDUs, netbots, and rack accessories create a data center solution. We've reached the end of this module. Here are the key takeaways from this module. Before proceeding further, let's take a quick recap of what you have learned so far. You have learned about the impact of downtime on various businesses and emphasized the necessity for power protection. You were also informed about how Schneider Electric's single-phase UPS portfolio addressed this issue. Next, you learned the importance of considering the customer's environment, UPS form factor, power capacity, runtime, and management and service capabilities. You were also familiarized with Schneider Electric's UPS selector tool, which is used to find an ideal UPS solution for customers. Additionally, you explored that supporting cloud-based and on-site monitoring and management software is critical for maintaining business continuity and ensuring smooth customer operations. Well done! You have successfully completed the Cell Lifecycle Services, Monitoring Solutions, and Additional Offers module. To exit the module,